Hello, teacher. My name is Linda Banizo Campo Carchi. In Unit 5, I learned about the sound of our lips. And right now I'm going to talk about a special music for me. The name of this music is Wild and Crazy. Who sing this song are Joel Figueroa and Alice Smith. And they belong to Upper Room Band. When I listen this music, I can hear some instruments such as a battery, piano, and guitar. I listen this song when I go to my job, when I study, when I clean my house. And I listen this song when I want to sing, when I want to dance, and it's very relaxed for me. This song is very special for me because the lyric is about the love of God that never ends. And I feel very well when I listen this music because I feel happy and I feel that my hope is grown. And I like so much this music because it has a good message. And now you can hear a little bit of this music. Thank you, teacher.
Wild, crazy,